Following type of eating disorders are there. One is anorexia nervosa. Second one is bulimia nervosa. Third one is binge eating disorder. These are important. Now, let's begin to discuss anorexia nervosa. It is seen mostly in females. Age of onset is adolescence. In this, appetite will be normal. No symptoms of anorexia is there. Sign and symptoms: body image disturbance, increased fear of being fatty, increased fear of being fatty, and increased emphasis on being thin. Restriction of energy intake, resulting in a significant less weight than normal. Significant weight significant less weight than normal. Second symptoms also present, like amenorrhea, lanugo, hypothermia, dependent edema, bradycardia, and there is poor sexual development, due to which decreased interest in sexual activity. This is seen mostly in adults and also have peculiar behavior. Peculiar behavior like hiding food in the home, trying to dispose food in napkins, cutting food in very small pieces, rearranging the food repeatedly around the plate, something like that. Patients are usually secretive and deny any symptoms and refuse the treatment, means they like to keep secrets and they blame others for their symptoms and refuse the treatment. Subtypes, two types are two subtypes are there. One is restricting type, one is binge eating purging subtype. Restricting type, mostly 50% individuals are seen highly restricted to food intake. Food intake, these are mostly 25 to 50%. Patient alternate alternate attempts at rigorous dieting with intermittent binging and purging episodes. What is binging? What is binging and purging? Binging is large amount of food in short duration. A patient taking large amount of food in short duration. What is purging? Purging is compensatory mechanism, a type of compensatory mechanism. Patient try to compensate for excess calories by self-induced vomiting, laxative use, diuretic use, etc. By self-induced vomiting, it leads to a manifestation like dental caries, parotitis, hypokalemic alkalosis. Okay, now let's see treatment. Hospitalization to require to restore nutritional status, manage complications which is due to purging like dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, Hospitalization is necessary in weight for height is less than 20% of expected. Long-term psychiatric hospitalization. For long-term psychiatric hospitalization, weight for height should be less than 30% of expected. गोल ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट क्या है? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बिहेवियरल मैनेजमेंट प्लस साइकोथेरेपी प्लस फैमिली एजुकेशन. मेडिकेशन क्या हम प्रेफर कर सकते हैं? सिप्रो, हेपेटिडिन, SSRI selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, tricyclic antidepressant. Okay, now another disorder, bulimia nervosa. What is this? It is most common than anorexia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa is most common than anorexia nervosa, characterized by episodes of binge eating combined with inappropriate way of preventing weight gain. Mostly seen in female like anorexia nervosa. It is also in late adolescence. Clinical feature: large amount of food in a small duration, binging episode, means taking large amount of food in a small duration. Purging behavior, or compensatory behavior. Like anorexia nervosa, it also have increased fear of gaining weight and increased emphasis to thin. No, this patient of bulimia nervosa actually have normal weight. It is most important point. This point is most important. Secondary features: enamel erosion, dental caries, salivary gland inflammation, callus on knuckles, hypokalemia, hypochloremic alkalosis, and patients of bulimia nervosa have normal sexual functioning and this patient is not secretive of not keep secrets about their symptom, not keep their secret of symptoms. Treatment: CBT, first line treatment. Medication में antidepressant, finish. So we have to study two disorders. One is anorexia nervosa, one is bulimia nervosa. Let's revise. Take the summary of this eating disorders. What is anorexia nervosa? Most common disorder seen in females. Adolescence, age of onset adolescence, appetite will be normal, body image sign and symptoms, body image disturbance, increased fear of being fatty, emphasis on being thin, or restrictions of energy intake resulting in a significant less weight than normal. Secondary symptoms: amenorrhea, lanugo, hypothermia, dependent edema, bradycardia, poor sexual development, decreased interest in sexual activity, peculiar behavior. Most important point: patients are usually secretive and deny any symptoms and refuse their treatment. Subtypes: 2. Restricting binge eating and purging. Subtypes: restricting 50%, highly restrictive to food intake. Binge eating purging 25 to 50%. Patient alternate attempts of rigorous dieting with intermittent binge and purging episodes. Hospitalization is necessary to restore nutritional status, manage their complications due to purging, hypokalemia, etc. What is the indication for hospitalization? If weight for height is less than 20% of expected. For long-term psychiatric illness hospitalization, we have to see weight for height less than 30% of expected. Goal for treatment: combination behavioral management, psychotherapy, family education. मेडिकेशन में एक वो लिख सकते हैं निमोनिक TSC, अगार, यूज़ फॉर क्लोस्ट्रीडियम परफरेंजेंस, TCA यूज़ कर सकते हैं, SSRI यूज़ कर सकते हैं, सिप्रोपेटाडीन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट डिसऑर्डर बुलिमिया नर्वोसा, मोस्ट कॉमन देन anorexia nervosa, characterized by episodes of binge eating, combined in an appropriate way of preventing weight gain, female more than male, late adolescence, clinical feature, binge episode, purging behavior, compensatory behavior to compensate the excess energy or calorie intake, increase fear of gaining weight, and emphasize on thinness, normal weight. These individuals have normal weight. Secondary features: enamel erosion, dental caries, salivary gland inflammation, callus on knuckles, hypokalemia, hypochloremic alkalosis, normal sexual functioning, and not secretive about their symptoms. They do not keep secret like anorexia nervosa. This is differentiating feature between anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa. CBT is the treatment for CBT is first line of treatment. Medication antidepressant like SSRI inhibitor we can use. Now, thank you.